Hey, dear children, today I will tell you a story. But before starting the story, you must subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep getting new videos. And yes, if you like the videos, you must also like it and share it. Thank you. Let's start in the story. Story title: The Magical Day and Seashell Cove. Once upon a time, in a sunny coastal town, there was a young boy named Leo. Loved the beach more than anything else in the world. His eyes sparkled with excitement every time he saw the vast expanse of blue water and felt the soft sand between his toes. The beach named Seashell Cove was known for its stunning beauty and magical secrets. One sunny morning, Leo's parents decided to take him to Seashell Cove for a day of fun and adventure. As they arrived, Leo's heart danced with joy, and he could not wait to start exploring with a bucket and a net in hand. He set out on his adventure. As Leo wandered along the shoreline, he noticed an old weathered seashell half buried in the sand. He carefully picked it up, and to his astonishment, it started glowing softly. The seashell spoke in a gentle, melodic voice. "Leo, I am Shelley, the magical seashell. I can grant you one special wish today. Use it wisely." Leo's eyes widened in amazement. He thought for a moment, realized that this was an opportunity to bring joy to others. "Shelley," he said with determination, "I wish for every child who visits this beach to have the most wonderful day of their lives." With a tinkling laugh, Shelley granted Leo's wish. Suddenly, the beach transformed into a heaven of delight. Colorful sandcastles built themselves, and the waves formed playful shapes dancing in tune with children's laughter. Seashell turned into twinkling stars, illuminating the shore even as the sun set. Leo's parents watched in wonder as children played happily, their faces glowing with pure joy. The families who visited Seashell Cove that day found themselves enveloped in a sense of togetherness, love, and happiness. As the day came to an end, Shelley appeared once more before Leo. "You used your wish selflessly," Leo said. "Shelley, you have shown that kindness and compassion can create magic beyond imagination. From now on, Seashell Cove will always be a place of wonder and happiness." Leo smiled, his heart warm with contentment. He knew that the true magic of the beach was the happiness it brought to others, and so Seashell Cove became a beloved destination where families and children would come to make cherished memories, sharing love, laughter, and the spirit of generosity. And as for Leo, he grew up knowing that kindness could create miracles. He often returned to Seashell Cove, where he would watch over the children playing and building sandcastles, sharing the story of the magical day that taught him the most important lesson of all, that the best way to enjoy the beach was by bringing joy to others. And so the magical tale of seashell calls and the poet who wished for happiness lived on, inspiring generations with its heart-warming message of kindness and selfness. Goodbye.